Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa and welcome back to my channel. Today, girlfriends, we're doing this eye look. Brand new, Younique Duo eyeshadows. They're stick. They are amazing. And I want you to learn how to use them because look at the beautiful, beautiful color that you can get on your eyes. Plus they stay all day. So come on with me. I want you to learn how to do this. Okay, girlfriends, let's get this going. I have not put anything as far as up here for concealer. So I am going to show you something that I've been using and I really love it. It's Kosas, but it's the color corrector Kosas. It's the pink. I'm just saying, I've been putting this under my under eyes and it's been working like a charm. It's not perfect because I got puffy eyes. At 63, I'm going to have something, right? But I'm going to use a little bit of this to brighten my lids. Yes. Instead of using like an eye primer, I've been using this now. And I really, really, really love it. And you can just take your fingers. If you don't want to use the finger, you can use a brush. That's up to you. Maybe a beauty blender. And I have also been using Borboleta Lash Serum. And my lashes have gotten so long. It's amazing. And I'd use it on my brows too. And I really had a lot of growth, especially right in here where we lose hair, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, brows, eyes, eye makeup, all of it kind of comes together. Even these wonderful bags that we have. But when I do with this here, you could take just a tad. Now, you can brighten your face with this if you want to use it as a concealer instead of using a regular concealer. I just found that I really, really like it. It's brightening. And I don't know, it just makes you look more awake, more alive. I just really love it. And you can set it with some powder. I use the Loose Transition one. And I just love it. I was looking for it here. I just keep stuff in a lid. So when I need it, I can use it. But yeah, look at that. Isn't that cool? So now we've done this. Guess what? We're going to need a little bit of that powder that I just picked up. So let's do this. And you can use a beauty blender for this. You can use your finger for it. Or you can use a brush. I'm going to use Angie's brush. This is the A506 brush. It's actually a contour brush. But I use it for a lot of different things. And just pat it across. Just like that. Very simple and easy. I love this look. These new eyeshadows just came out. And they're duos. And I purchased 3 of them. I didn't get the blue one because blue is just not me. Blue just does not look good on me. I have pink undertones, so I'm like, okay, I can't do that. But I really love my lashes, so look at these. Borboleta. This stuff is amazing. You just swipe it, it's clear. Look at that. It's got a little wand, and you can just take it across here, and I just take it across right along here. You don't have to do it every day. You could do it twice a week. That's just up to you. But my lashes have really grown. And they're curling upward too. And I like that. So let's get on with this look. I think you will love it. Let me show you how to do it. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to take this. This is a Morphe palette. It's one of the little trio palettes. This one is called Champagne, I believe, on Tap. Champagne on Tap. But I always want to use this color right here because it's a lighter color. Tap it off. And I'm going to run this right underneath here. Right underneath my brow. And right through this area. I like to open my eyes up. I really like something brightening. And this is perfect without being too light. But it gives you a lift. So remember, light brings things forward. And darkness recedes. So I'm bringing that light forward at this point. Now that's all I'm going to do with this, okay? And now let's look at what we're going to use next. We're going to use this. This is called Inquisitive. This is the best stick eyeshadow I have ever used. If you have a lot of discoloration, This is perfect for you. Perfect for you. Now, you can either draw it on, that's up to you, or you can use a brush. I think I might use the cream shadow brush like this. And that way I have better placement for it. So I'm going to actually just do one eye for you. That way this is not too long. I don't want it to be too long. So let me see which eye. We'll do this eye because I can kind of bring it up just a little bit. So what you want to do, let me move this so I can see in my mirror over here. What you want to do is just place it right through here. This is I have hooded eyes. So I need that color to be up here. Look how easy it just glides on. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's such a pretty color. And you can wear this all by itself. Now, if you have a lot of discoloration or spots, you will love this. And you can wear this by itself. I've done that many times, rushing out the door, you know, kind of running late. Swipe it on and go, girl. That's if you're like me, just swipe it on and go. And that's exactly what I'm doing right here, just swiping it across. Now, if you want to, you don't have to use a brush. You can actually just use your fingers and blend it in as well. You do you, because everybody has their own way of doing things. But some people just don't like makeup on their fingers. So, what do you think? I love it. Now we're going to add the duo, because the duo is what brings this look together. This is just my base. That's all this is. This is just my base, and we're going to build upon it. So let me show you the new duo. This is it. On each end, there's colors. It's like this. See that? Whoa, this one's so pretty. Now, this color over here is called Ginger Snap, and you can see the name of it there. And then on this side, let me show you this one. This is Copper Glow. This is the one over here, Copper Glow. So when I use these, I kind of put the tops, but you can look and see that they're totally different colors. They're very creamy, and I just absolutely love these. Now, this color here is my matte, and this is my shimmer, matte shimmer, okay? So we're gonna start with this one. So let me get over here and get close and personal with you. And I'm gonna take this and just draw it across, just like that. And then I'm gonna do like a little outer V, just like that. Simple and easy to do. Guess what? I can blend this with my finger. That's what I love about these. Blend it with your finger and just bring it out and up. And yes, I am going to use some eyeliner. I'm using Persona eyeliners now. I love them. They're 24-hour wear. They are waterproof. I love them. I live here in the South, and so a lot of times makeup will just kind of melt off your face, but this doesn't. And that's the reason I'm so infatuated with these. I love the idea of the dual end, and you can just swipe and go and be out the door, whoops, really quickly. So let's use the shiny. Let's use that color and see what we get. Oh, that is so darn pretty. Pretty, girl. Now I'm going to use my pinky to smooth this across. So I know I've been MIA some. Had a lot going on in life and dealing with things. So, but I'm here today. I'm kind of excited I'm here today. I'm going to add just a little bit more of this color and bring it up with my finger. Remember, we already put that eyeshadow up there. So I'm having to look in my mirror as I do this. It's hard to look in the camera sometimes and really see the big picture, because it is smaller. There we go. Oh, I love that. I do. I just absolutely. Now, love it. But we can also come back, since I've already done my concealer here using the Kosas, I can come back and add this color. I could take my finger, or I can take a small little brush. This brush here will work really well. And we'll come back in with that same color we first started off with. and just add a little light right here in this corner. Look how that opens that up. Isn't that crazy? I love it. And I'm just going to kind of tap it up and right in this corner. Ooh. What do you think? I love that. Now, this is Persona. It's a lot longer when you get it, okay? I've been using this one. This is the color chocolate. Love it. Absolutely love it. Now, you can either tight line with this. You can come right up through here. I don't line my whole entire eye because I do have closed set eyes. So I typically will only go like pupil and over if I'm going to use it on my lid. Now, if you don't have a whole lot of lid space, then you can definitely come underneath here and add the color. I like doing both. So, but today I'm going to actually put it up here at the top. And these dry pretty quick once you use them. See it? It's so, so pretty. I love a good eyeliner. And it's hard to find one, believe me. And I'm going to take this BK Beauty brush. I believe this one's 204. Yes, 204. This is my smudger brush. And then I come in. And you can use your finger if you don't want to use, a brush. But I think the brush does a better job. And I'm kind of pushing it down into the lashes. See the difference that makes? Ooh, girl, I love it. I do. This is one of my favorites. And you can use this underneath here if you want to. If I was going to do that, I would put it right here in my lashes. Take the smudger brush and come through it just like that. And then, because we don't want to draw too much attention to that area. It's, I already have the puffy there. So that's what I love to do. And guess what? No fallout, and it stays all day. Even if you cried, it's not coming off. It's just not going to come off. So I don't remember how many colors these come in. I will put it down here somewhere. But you will love them. You will absolutely love it. And then we got to do what? Lashes. Isn't that crazy? That's how fast you can do this look. Simple, easy, out the door. I love that. So I'm going to give you two choices of mascara. This is Younique's new brown mascara. I love it. And I pretty much gravitate to this all the time. Since I use Borboleta, I really haven't used this one as much because this has a growth serum in it. It's by Eternal. But it's on my website too with Younique. Younique has got a lot of different products now, not just Younique products. So this one is really nice. Now this one is the black one. But we're going to use the brown. And we are going to curl our lashes. I always curl my lashes, even though they've gotten pretty long, using the Borboleta. I still come in and just give them a little bit of a bump, okay? So let's do this. Brown mascara. Watch how this works. I went ahead and did this side because I needed to do it anyway. But we're not going to put the mascara on that side because we don't have any eyeshadow there yet. Oh, I love this. Let me get my magnification mirror. How many of y'all have to use those now? Yeah. When you get in your 60s, that's kind of sort of the way it is. And I wish that I could really do this. Look at that. Girlfriend. This is so nice. Now this is kind of like a synthetic brush. I really do like it. I gave one of my girlfriends, she's going through some chemo treatment and stuff. And so I took her one this week I said, I want you to feel beautiful, and so if only thing you can do is just put on some mascara, girl. Mascara is pretty powerful. So she loved it, but I love the brush. Look at the brush. It's not a brush. It's one of those synthetic ones, but it is amazing. It really does separate your lashes. And I cannot believe how long my lashes are now. Really happy with that product. But you could get it from the Eternal as well. Ooh. What do you think? That's really pretty. I love it. Absolutely love it. Oh my goodness. I know I'm crazy. I just can't believe I'm 60. I'm almost 64. It's hard to believe. Life is just moving on. I mean, it's like lightning speed at this point. I guess because I've been thinking about, you know, my age. And I mean, I've had some friends already pass away, you know. And I'm like, wow, life is changing. It's changing fast, too. What you think? Oh, how pretty is that? Now, I am going to do the other eye off camera. I just wanted you to see how pretty this is. Just like that. Very simple, very easy. Stays on all day. Let me go do the other one, and I'll be right back. And ta-da, here we are. Oh, my goodness. I love it. I love these lashes. I really do. I'm going to use them just a little bit. I want to show you how to use a little bit of this Kosas to kind of brighten up your face. And, you know, because we have these wonderful little downward turned. So what I love to do is add just a little here, here, right in this area here. And I've already put some on my nose, but hey, it never hurts. And just a tad right here. This has nothing to do with eyes, but it does really brighten up your face. I just love it. Light brings things forward, remember? So it's really going to make a difference in the look of your skin. So this is just an add-on, okay? Look at the difference. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And I already have used some powder, so I'm not going to have to put any more powder on it because I put it over my foundation already. Look at that. And yeah, you can take it up through here if you want to for a little more lift. That's just up to you, girlfriend. Look at that. I love it. I do. And now let's pop across here. Now, this is a moist beauty blender, the original beauty blender. So don't get the cheapies. Get this one. Ulta. I love it. What do you think? I really do love it. I do, and I hope you do too. So please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only, and I love it when you come and hang out with me. And I just wanted to show you this look today. It's just absolutely gorgeous to me. So easy to do. Y'all can do it. I promise you, you can do it. So give it a try, okay? All right, I will see y'all next week. Y'all have a fabulous day. See you later.